Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I created this soft matte eye makeup, and all the products that I have used in today's makeup are products that you can use for other purposes also. Like, I have not used any eyeshadow palette for today's video. I have just used my bronzer and blush as my eyeshadows. You'll see that once you get to the eye makeup part. So I request all of you to watch the video till the end. Also, I am shooting in a different setup today. I have come on a staycation and I am shooting from the hotel room, and that's why the background is different. I'm also shooting with natural lighting, and this video I'm recording with a camera. So if you find the video to be too bright or the background to be a little off, please bear with me. I'm still learning to work with a camera, and I promise to be better with the coming videos. So if you want to know how you can recreate this look, then please continue watching. No matter what the look is, I'm going to start with the moisturizer first. For that, I'm going to use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. Generally, the next step for me would be a primer and then a foundation, but today's moisturizer acts as a very good primer, so I'm going to skip my primer and I'm going to skip my foundation as well. I do this most of the days because I don't apply foundation on a daily basis. So for today's makeup, I'm going to directly go with a concealer. I'm not only going to apply this all over my face, but I'm going to apply this as my eyeshadow base as well. Since we're going for minimal product makeup and also products that you can use for other purposes, I'm going to use the same concealer to conceal my eyelids. On days I use this kind of a technique, I also go in with a lighter shade concealer and apply it just under where I've applied my earlier concealer to give my face some brightening. But today I'm not going to do that. I just mentioned that you can do the same as well. So for the next step, I'm going to take my compact powder and apply it on the places where I have applied my concealer and also set the rest of my face. For bronzer, blush and highlighter, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics Contour Palette. This is in the shade Subtle Summit, and these are the shades. So I have the bronzer shade and the blush shade individually in their mini packaging, but I thought I could bring this with me because it is super travel friendly. You can carry this one palette and you are good to go for the entire face. So I'm going to be using these three as my bronzer, blush and highlighter. I'm also going to be using these three for my eyeshadows, which you'll see how in a minute. I'm going to take this bronzer shade and apply this as my contour today. I'm not going to be using this brush. This is the brush I usually go for my contour or bronzer, but today I'm going to use it with a very light hand, and for that I'm going to take the same powder brush with which I applied my compact. Using the same brush, I'm going to take this blush shade and apply it on my cheeks. Next, taking a fan brush like this, I'm going to take the highlighter shade and apply it on my cheekbones and other areas where I would like to highlight. So I've just zoomed you a little bit closer to show you how I do my eye makeup using these three colors. So for the crease color, I would generally prefer a brown, but today I'm going to keep it a little soft and go with the pink instead. I'm sorry, but this brush is a little damp, but so it's not working for the crease. So I'm going to use my fingers to apply the crease color. I'm going to take my ring finger. I'm going to take the same blush shade with my ring finger and apply this shade on my crease. Can you see how softly the color has transferred to my lids? This gives such a soft transition. So you can always use your fingers for the entire eye makeup if you want to. I will make a separate video on how you can use your fingers only to do your entire eye makeup. Leave a comment below saying if you would like to see such a video. I'm going to take the bronzer shade and apply it on my outer corner. I'm not going for a smoky eye. I'm going to keep the eye makeup very soft, but I do want a hint of brown on my eyes. So I'm going to take only a little bit and apply it on the outer V. So the next step can be to take the highlighter shade and apply it all over the lids like how you would apply your regular shimmer shade. But on the whole, I'm currently liking the entire matte, soft matte look. So I think I'm going to skip a highlighter or a shimmer shade today and take some more of the blush and apply it all over the lids. The next step is to apply a kajal, and I'm going to take my Kay Beauty's 24-hour kajal and I'm going to be applying this as my eyeliner as well. I never apply my pencil kajal as my eyeliner because I usually thought that it will tug my eyelids and I will not get a smooth liner effect like how I get with a liquid liner or a gel liner. But this changed my opinion and I'm going to be using this for both eyeliner and kajal. See, I didn't pull my eyelids and I'm not going to fast forward this, but as you can see, it applied so smoothly and I'm very impressed for how a kajal can be applied as an eyeliner as well. I'm not going to be using a mascara today, and I'm going to complete my eyes with just eyeliner. And for today's lipstick, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Allegedly. That's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. As you saw, this is a very simple look to recreate, and if you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on my Insta page, and I would love to see your recreation. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you all super soon. Until then, take care. Bye.